Anyway, I'm gonna try and get closer. See how close they let me get before they get too disturbed. Looks like they're walking. Oh, there they go. Wow. I just freaked them out. Holy cow, that's a lot. Whoa. I got too close. Holy cow. They all just got up. A million of them. That was cool. They'll probably come back as soon as I leave. That is cool. I think I got the shot. We'll see what happens. I can't really see right now. I'm still filming. All right, great. I don't like leaving my scooter on the road. Somebody call it.